to meet different customer requirements. Its configuration is highly customizable, but the essence remains the same. Today, let's take a look at small combined rice milling equipment. The rice milling process starts with the elevator. The elevator is mainly used to transport all materials. The rice enters the cleaning part of all equipment through the elevator, which is the cleaning and destoning combination machine. This cleaning equipment features a rotary double-layer screen. The top layer removes large debris like straw and stalks. The bottom layer removes small debris and dust. The cleaned rice then enters the destoning section, specifically, the gravity destoner. The destoner relies mainly on air for adjustment, according to different densities, such as stones and rocks. Our cleaning process is thus completed. Next is the huller for dehusking. The huller mainly relies on two rubber rollers, with pressure applied by the pressing head, to squeeze the rice between the two rollers, achieving the purpose of dehusking. Then through the husk separator, to separate the husks, obtaining what we commonly call bone rice. The hulling efficiency is not 100%, but it can reach at least 85%. The bone rice then enters the gravity paddy separator through an elevator. The function of the gravity separator is to separate bone rice from the unhusked rice. Unhusked rice goes back to the huller. Bone rice goes directly to the rice whitener. The main function of the rice whitener is to remove the bone layer from the surface of brown rice, turning brown rice into white rice. The rice whitener can be divided into sand roller whitener and iron roller whitener. The sand roller uses the sharp edges of carbon to remove the surface layer of the rice grain, while the iron roller whitens by friction between the rice grains and the whitening components, and among the rice grains themselves. Thus, the iron roller whitener applies greater pressure, according to the process of multi-machine light whitening. For different types of rice, different combinations are used. Normally, Japan rice can use a combination of sand and iron rollers, such as one sand and one iron or two sand and one iron. Indica rice, being slender, can break under too much pressure, so is not suitable. For iron roller combinations, it's better to use 2 or 3 sand rollers. How to configure them? In such cases, we can choose 2 sand and 1 iron or 3 sand and 1 iron. After the whitening process, the rice has turned into white rice. At this stage, we only need to add a white rice grater, and the whole process is completed. However, for small rice mills or cooperatives that need market sales, the black and yellow grains in the rice need further removal. Therefore, rice color sorter is needed. The color sorter uses optical properties of the rice. The color sorter uses optical properties of the rice and photoelectric technology to separate black and yellow grains from the rice, ensuring color uniformity of the rice. After color sorting, we need the rice to look more glossy and translucent. This is the role of the polisher. While further removing brown powder, it enhances the rice's brightness, making its surface more glossy and smooth. At this point, the rice processing is complete, grading rice grains of different sizes, making the appearance more uniform. After completing the above processes, the finished rice needs to be packaged, using an automatic packing scale, to pack the rice into 5 kg, 10 kg and 50 kg bags, for different consumer groups, for higher grade brick packaging. Alright, that's the introduction to rice milling equipment for today. In summary, the configuration of complete rice milling equipment is not fixed. It varies according to your requirements. For those who want to learn more about rice processing equipment, feel free to follow me.